A dull sedan sits in a rain-soaked lot until a master engineer reveals a chrome chrysalis that becomes a hover Skycar. Before shots show faded trim and a wheezy engine, after a hydrogen-electric powertrain rumbles, wings unfurl, neon gauges glow. An AI co-pilot guides through storm lanes, while the cabin becomes a plush cockpit with velvet panels. A blackout triggers emergency lift, revealing a kinetic tailfin that doubles as a solar sail catching city winds. Like and share and tell us where this airborne beast should debut its first city route.